Next time by. Line up on the right side.
The estimated SOF is 1,600.
12. Pit road is closed.
It's competitive out there. Head down, stay sharp.
Welcome back, everyone on YouTube. We are here running the Falken Tyre Sports Car Challenge at the Nürburgring, which, if you know me at all, you know that this is the equivalent of pigs flying, really, because I was very anti-Nürburgring, didn't want to learn it and all that, like I was just telling all the viewers on Twitch. But, you know, finally I got egged on enough. I sat down, dedicated some time, used the active reset, which is actually very helpful in iRacing. And, yeah, we just learned it, and I don't really have a lot of laps in GT4 here, mostly GT3, but how hard could it be? It's pretty similar, right? So, without further ado, let's hop in the race. Let's get going. Guess we're ready.
Pace car's in. Green flag, green flag.
Yeah, we're racing, boys. Here we go. 4 laps at the Nürburgring combined, the 24-hour circuit, basically. Let's see what we can do. Looking pretty scary up ahead.
Left side, car stopped on the left, 3 wide, you're the meat. You got a slow car on the left, clear the right, still there. Stay on the right. Stay on the right, stay on the right. Go to the top, clear on the left.
There's an incident behind.
Clear on the left.
Don't know what happened to my left there, but we'll take it.
Left side. Stay on the right. Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Nice, finally cleared him. Not too bad. Fairly clean start thus far.
There's an incident ahead.
Car off. Probably did what I did in practice there. Check our fuel next time around. See how we're looking here. More yellow flags. Don't see any cars though. And this is where all the chaos starts to happen.
Car stopped on the right. Go left.
LMP3 on the right, unfortunate. Alright, we're hanging in there. Hopefully Gavin's doing okay as well. I know he cannot type while racing, so we'll just have to look after.
Left side. Clear on the left.
Big shout out to that guy. He's going to cause a wreck for sure. He almost caused a wreck. It's only my second ever competitive, well, I shouldn't say, I've done more. But second race I've done at the Nürburgring after actually learning it. This part we made it to in practice and almost died, so we'll need to be careful on that. We survive okay so far.
You got a slow car on the left. Go to the top. Right side. Stay on the left. Clear the right. Right side. Clear the right.
Oh my goodness. Let's just survive. A lot of racing left to go. Did good through that corner, so we'll have a draft here. Not gonna bother trying to pass, honestly. Guy behind us followed us, we're good. It's probably the fastest I've headed into that corner in a GT4. With the draft and whatnot.
Got a slow car on the left. Go to the top.
There's an incident ahead.
Holy crap, man. Holy crap. Oh, oh boy. Might need some new underwear after that one. Alright, we gotta get back into our groove here. That was unfortunate for that guy. Now we are pinned. I think not having a good setup in. I have no idea what setup I even have in. Like it might not even be one for Nürburgring. I have no idea. We're doing alright. We'll have to see where we are. Might be still top 10. All the attrition that's gone on. Maybe not, though. somehow caught up a tenth to those guys in front of us, even though they should be able to draft off each other. Caught them all quite a bit through that section, huh? Yeah, we shouldn't have to pit here. We should be okay, I think. I'm pretty decent on the GP circuit part. Hopefully it'll allow us to pull a gap on the guy behind, give us some breathing room. Let's enter the Schleif for the second time.
There's an incident ahead.
Slow car ahead. Go left, go left, go left.
Big. 2 cars dead. I'll definitely put this back in the top 10. Okay, we're doing alright. I know I fidget around in my seat so much when I'm racing.
Car stopped ahead.
Evidently not anymore. Must have reset or something.
Got a slow car on the right. Car stopped ahead.
He all that forward. 100%. No way you can reset that fast. That was crazy.
The car in front has gone off.
And to make sure he's going to stay in the grass. Okay, we're surviving. Almost halfway through. Not really, we still got a lot of this lap left to go before we make it officially halfway.
Car stopped on the left. Go to the top.
I thought there was maybe a car around that corner. Couldn't see. Scared me. Y'all seem to chill behind me for a minute. Obviously, we're still not, like, experts at the Nürburgring, but I know the track is good enough to get around it at least. Looks like we're getting an okay run out of that corner. It's going to have a bit of a draft on us, though, which is unfortunate. Cars in front going side by side, perhaps. There we go, able to make it through there, good. Pull some ground on them.
The car in front, going off.
Hey, you did big time. Might have a bit of a slowdown, I don't know.
There's an incident behind.
Alright. Have to bump draft the hell out of this guy.
Go subscribe.
He was really tentative there. Should have tried to go around him, could have got him.
Right side. Stay on the left. You're in the top 10. Stay on the left.
But it's really hard to pass right there anyways.
Clear the right. Right side. Stay on the left. Clear the right. Right side. Stay on the left. Clear the right.
Alright, 7th. We'll take 7th right now. Come on, dude. What are you doing? Slam right in the back of me. Now up to a 5X for that. I just kicked my front tires. She don't seem like she wants to turn very good now. We're definitely heavy on fuel compared to these guys, I'm sure. I don't know. Just trying to survive. Which you done pretty good. Stupid 5X is not really our fault. One of those X's is. Oh boy, oh boy. We're in 8th right now. That's 9th right behind us. 10th.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left.
That's about 3 laps too many. Gavin hasn't said anything, so I'm assuming he has not died, which is good. Very good indeed. A little bit better through there than he is, that's good. Where he must just slipped up. Screwed that up pretty good though.
Right side, clear the right.
He scared me. I thought he was gonna dive. Thought he was. Got a good run out of there though. That's good. These guys are battling hard in front of me. Oh my goodness.
Ahead.
Oh boy. Oh man, thought I was dead.
Left side. Clear on the left.
Finally had to let that guy go though. Still here, 24, just in case you're wondering. I'm gonna bump draft the hell out of you.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap.
53.308 left side. White flag next time by his stripe.
White flag, I think we're battling for a top 10 here.
That was your fastest lap of the session.
Yeah, we are ninth. That's good.
Right side.
Can't go to that corner so good without me in front of you, huh?
Clear the right. Right side. Stay on the left. Clear the right.
I can't go through that corner very good. Man. Alright, well, just gotta hold on to this top 10. I'll be happy with that. Nah, we're pulling away from the 16 just a hair. Doesn't have our draft, so.
There's an incident ahead.
Okay. I don't see it. No yellow flags yet. Must just been a little one. Green BMW is gone.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1 second.
Thanks, spotter. We're gonna do our best to hang on to it. Starting to get warm in this long sleeve. Roll the sleeves up. How hard are these guys gonna battle for it? Not very. As I almost died behind them. Whew. Driving it pretty hard now. Back behind this yellow Turner Motorsports BMW. Not the best run through there, but not the worst. We're still got plenty of draft. We got 2 cars in front of us too, so that'll help. Might have a chance at 8th. Maybe if it's 7th, we'll see. We can keep that Aston Martin in our sights. Aston Martin's hanging on for dear life.
Left side, clear on the left.
Dang it.
Stay on the right, clear on the left.
Dang Turner Motorsports BMW. He had nothing to do with that. I just overcooked it.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is
9.5
seconds.
Left side,
Faster car coming up quick.
clear on the left.
We lost it. Last lap. Dang it. And we're stuck. How unfortunate is that? This has happened to me a bunch of times too. Get stuck in the guardrail. Oh, we're out.
You guys.
Left side. Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Dang it. Lost on that last little bit.
One, just hit the fastest lap. 51.812.
We have damage too, so we probably can't even keep up. Yeah, we're losing on them. Nothing we can do. I blew it. You think we'll still gain some safety? I don't know, man. We had like a 4x in practice and not an 8x here in the race. I don't know. I was just trying to keep up with that BMW. Couldn't quite do it. That wreck broke like the interior lighting of our car. Oh man, 12th.
Alright, there's checkered flag.
We'll get them next time.
You had to pit for fuel? Damn, I wrecked on the very last lap running top 10. I knew if I could stay close enough to this BMW car that, you know, it's gonna have a chance, but nope. Lap 1, turn 1. Just, who cares? Sending in way too hard. At least he rolled way out of the way. Good on him. Someone coming out of the pits there. That was this guy. Oh, it just forgets to turn. GPS is rerouting. There we go. In our race, this is right behind us here. Everyone just comes to a complete stop. That was beautiful. Still lap 1 here. Overcooks it. He's around. Yep, I did that same thing in practice. Too much curb. Dead. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was 5th. He kind of keeps, does keep going. Alright, interesting. This guy, he's farther back at 10th. Man, doinks it head on the wall. It's a rough go of it. There's his teammate, matching paint. Oh, way too much curb. I've done that many times. Many times. Oh, and just don't hold brakes. Keep rolling. Let's cause more chaos. Look at this guy. He did. No idea where to go. Guess is wrong. That's right. We did avoid some pretty gnarly crashes. Huge pileup as the front of the GT4 field goes through. This is behind us. Clips the wall. This guy, more troubles on lap 1. Got a lift. Jonathan Montoya. Juan Pablo Montoya's son. I don't know if it is. Just made that up. Oh. Running 36th. Doink. High speed section right here. Too much curb. Yep. Dunzo. Not good. Pushes wide, stays wide. He done. Pink Porsche, a couple spots behind us. He goes off in the corner. Doink. Comes back on track, gets hit again. I wouldn't say it was really on him though. Like he was probably trying to get his car gathered back up. Oh, almost a really nice drift right in front of an LMP3. Probably got nervous or something. There we go. Flying by him. Oh, doink, too hard. I don't know, I think Gavin probably has the Merc as well, if I had to guess. I think we've driven that together in GT4 before. We've got an Aston right here. Blinking. Oh man, this guy's going through it. Hits the wall again. He's hit a ton. Cheaters. Does it look like we were cheating? Oh, that guy is done for. And I'm so slow, I need all the advantage I can get. Oh, smart move, boys. Smart move. This guy. Oh, that might do him in. Yep, that's gonna do it. Hey, we both finished 12th. Nice. 12th place brothers. I think until that final crash, I had a 2x legitimately just going off track. Some guy hit me in the rear end going through a corner. That gave me a 4x. But I mean, only 2 of it until that last crash was my fault. Oh, heck yeah. That was good on you, Noah, for doing that. Oh, that was it. Look at that. I don't know how we did not die. This was a scary one right here. My shining achievement of the race right there. Oh. Hell yeah. I pushed the hell out of this guy. It's probably, nope. This ain't maybe it was me pushing him, but nope. Too much brake. Doink. He's alright. Keep her going. Nope. Not alright. Yeah, roll right into the racing line. Brilliant. Why would you do that? So lap 1 to blink. OMP3 trying to pass slower cars, causing havoc. Aston Martin. BMW. Nice to meet you. Yep, this guy's still dead. Still trying it with no rear wing. I don't think he knows. He probably doesn't know that he doesn't have that stuff, because I think even though his wing's still there with that rear body piece gone, I think he just loses a lot of downforce. Oh yeah, yep, I remember that. Watch, we're gonna pass him on the left right here. There we go. Orange and gray. Still trying. Just give it up, buddy. Just give it up. Hold the brakes. Nope. Okay. At least he rolled it off the track. That's the wall. Oh my goodness. There we go. That did it. Did he X out? He might have X'd out right there. Wow. Just not having a good time. That guy's also not having a good time. Side by side. This is not sketchy at all. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Can't go side by side through there. Ooh. Tricky part of the track. He gets off the track though, to his own detriment. That's alright. Respect that. Oh yeah. Too much curb. Ooh, the grass. He's drifting it. He's drifting. He's dead. Oh, man. You really tried. Oh, and the engine is done. Magnificent. Dead. Wow. Committed. Committed to his death. It's Aston here. Big Castrol guy. Blinks. This is not near us. Boink. It's gonna be a lot to look through here with friggin' 4 laps worth. This guy was running 15th. Oh, okay. His number looks like he's running 6th, but what are you doing? Trying to head on someone? Oh, he's trying to get turned around, but he is struggling. Oh, we're looping it. A pink Rexy, that's cool. Yeah, after this Rex, I'm gonna call it. Oh, something flew off his car. Oh, here we go. Watch this. Yeah, this guy I think was trying to block me, and I just decided to push him. Lifted for him. Going under the bridge. I should have tried to pass him though, because I was way faster into this section right here. Cost me a lot of time, but oh well. He's just giving up on life. Yep. Oh, this guy is hauling. He is hauling. He's no longer hauling. Dead. Oh, I swear he just runs in the back of me. Doink. Granted, I went a little wide, but still. Do the carousel. Loops it. I don't even know if I'll show these wrecks all on the, Oh! What was that? That was strange. Not gonna show all these wrecks on the YouTube video. We're just gonna show, the racing results. That was close. Oh, a bike. Oh, I remember this. These guys battled for a while. This green BMW was really fast, though. Oh, nice. If only they both could have wrecked right there, it would have been great. Big off. Through the carousel. Second one. Oh, too much. Dead. Oh, yep. This guy's still fighting for it here. Wow. Oh, did the other guy point out? Nice. I think he wrecked out an incident. We're on the lap 4. We're not too bad. Everyone's left. This is behind us. Oh. Oh. Hell yeah. And then here we are. And then getting stuck on that really sucked. And we were the last incident. Beautiful. All right, let's go take a look. See, I told you, Noah. I just don't have it in me to gain safety rating today. We lose 0.03 safety rating plus 1 I rating gain. A single I rating point. That's all right. We'll take that. What stopped me from getting the Nissan GTP ZXT? Nothing really, other than I don't know if I would ever get to run it, because when you guys run it Saturday mornings, I usually don't have a lot of time. So, just me thinking I probably won't ever run it. But I mean, I can get it. Just driving around. Yeah, I think it depends on, you know, what your safety rating is and where you're at, but it's all good. As long as you stay above 2.0, that's all I'm looking for. It looks like only 4 LMP3s finished the race. Maybe I should have tried an LMP3. Geez. We come home 12th in class, 16th overall. So, not too bad, I guess. I don't know, that one BMW, that green one who looked really fast, ran out of instant points or something. But like I said, that'll do it for me. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.